Hello everybody and welcome back to the farm. This is going to be just a short video begging for some help. This spring I managed to get my tractor brought up to the farm. I managed to get it offloaded. I even used this tractor all winter to clear snow in my driveway at home. This tractor has worked flawlessly, but as you may recall in a previous video, my neighbor Jerry and I were tilling the field, and the field is really hard. It had been gone over with the bulldozer all year last year, and I needed to break it up so that I could plant something this year, and everything was going well up until the evening where I made a pass in the back field, and suddenly everything just stopped. The tractor stopped, the PTO stopped, but ironically the 3-point hitch lift, which is hydraulic, and the bucket still worked. Well, as it turns out, I broke the input shaft on the tractor, and I managed to get the tractor to the repair shop down the road, but they told me that the replacement shaft was on long-term back order. So what you're looking at in this picture is number one. This whole assembly right in the middle, this whole shaft, is the original drive shaft with ball bearings and some goofy complex design, which has been replaced by something that looks more like this, a solid shaft with two universal joints. Now, looking at the actual part numbers, it's either one of these top two that end in 103 or 104, and I can't tell which one. But I'm wondering if anybody knows of any input shaft that might be available to fit this, whether it's the replacement or an aftermarket or even a universal shaft that might fit on this tractor, because I'm out of options. I'm very close to the end of not being able to plant this season, and let me tell you, this is a devastating blow. I was so close. And it seems that there is no way in the aftermarket to find one of these or to find a replacement. So if anybody has any thoughts or any information, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Feel free to send an email to the emails that are listed at the beginning and the end of this video, or just feel free to leave a comment down below. As always, I appreciate your insight and your help. Thanks for making this channel what it is, and thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one with, hopefully, some better news.